A beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. Good morning all. I am Aisha PT of class 7th. As we all know, this year's School Kala Mela is conducted virtually. I would like to present to you some of the topics of elocution competition. Pollution-free nature, important of teacher in our life, and study before and after Corona are the topics given. The students from UP section have talked about this topic wonderfully. Come, let's enjoy elocution.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, myself Veena Deepak and I am studying in 7th. Today I am going to say about a pollution-free nature. So, suppose I may be talking before you from a polluted nature, and you may be hearing it also from a polluted nature. It's natural, but we need a change in it. Because we humans are the only animal which destroys its own nest. It means our earth. So, we need to make a pollution-free environment for birds, animals and humans to survive in. So, the main cause of pollution is dumping waste materials to the water bodies and cleaning vehicles from water bodies and the smoke of factories, vehicles, etc. etc. And we need to stop it. Say no to this. And suppose, think of a next generation which look at these animals and birds in a curiosity because our works make all animals disappear from the earth. And they are no longer in the earth now. Think about a pollution-free nature, the birds flying in a lovely atmosphere, we drinking the hygiene water and breathing the fresh air of our pollution-free earth. And we need to hold our hands and come before everyone to make our earth hygiene and clean and fresh, etc. So, remember one thing, that making the earth pollution is one thing that making your mother poisoned. So, stay home, stay safe and break the chain. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, my name is Ali Hisham. I am studying in 6th C. Today I am talking about a small speech about importance of teacher in your life. Teachers are a special blessing from God to us. They are ones who build a great nation, good nation and make the world a better place. Teachers play an important role in the lives of students. Apart from your parents, they also shape your lives by imparting knowledge to you and help encourage good morals in you. Teachers can really impact on the lives of many children, especially when they leave a good impression on them. You should remember that the teacher, like a parent, punishes you not out of heart but love. When students are disciplined, a credit goes to the teachers as well as the school. Parents are happy with the teachers who have good communication with their children, and credit is always given to the teachers when students pass their examinations with distinction. There may be some few you may see as bad, but respect your teachers and make them your friends so that they can groom you into responsible adults in future. Thank you.
Good evening, my name is Nufais. My topic is studies before and after COVID. COVID pandemic made many changes to the world. It affects humans very badly. It was really bad for us, children also. Today, now I am in 6th standard, but I haven't seen my school, classroom, teachers and my classmates. Last year, it was like a dream. In my life, I can never sit in 5th standard. Corona has changed the way we studied. Online classes are just like a routine. I miss the joy, learning in classroom, playing with friends and sharing many things. It's just hope to horizon. I don't think so that Corona will go away soon. It's time to learn to live with Corona counting down the days that opening of school. For me, my new classroom, my new school, classroom, my new uniform and new friends, it will bring me joy so that I can forget the worst days have passed. I pray to God that to make us all safe and healthy.
Good morning, all. Today I am going to say about pollution free nature. Pollution has become one of the most concerning issues for our planet and mankind. It takes place where pollutants contaminate our environment. In other words, pollution is responsible for disturbing the balance of our ecosystem. However, it impacts our lifestyle severely and also contributes greatly to global warming. As the world is getting more modern, pollution is also enhancing day by day. It's like we are the prisoners of our own creation. Further, it has become rather essential to learn about the causes, types, and impacts of pollution to deal with this problem. When toxic gas enters in our body, toxic gases enters the atmosphere, life becomes difficult for human beings. The burning of fossil fuels, mining, automobile, exhaust and more contribute to it. Thus it causes acids, rains, respiratory problems, global warming and more. Another pollution is soil pollution. We have soil pollution where contaminants and toxic chemicals hamper the quality of our soil. Soil pollution has very negative impacts, especially on wildlife and vegetation. In addition to human life and groundwater are also severely damaged. Next up, water pollution. Water pollution is one of the rise like anything. The industrial waste, sewage, wastewater, oil spills and more contribute to it. Further, the impact is very deadly as we cannot survive without water. The water needed for drinking, washing, cooking, agriculture and more is declining by day. Best ways to produce air pollution are using public transport, recycle and reuse, no to plastic bags, reduction of forest fires and smoking, use of fans instead of air conditioner, avoid using of crackers.
Good morning to one and all. Myself, Saina PP of class 6th E, is here to talk few words on the topic importance of teachers in our life. A teachers take a hand, open a mind and touches a heart. As we all know, teachers play a very important role in shaping the futures of their students right from kindergarten to university. They are the ones who impart knowledge and teach us about everything important. Moreover, they also teach us about ethical values embedded in our moral values. Thus, we can say that teachers shape our personality into something very strong and wonderful. A world without teachers would be a world without lights. Teachers assume the role of an educator, caregiver, and sometimes they also became our friends, help us with our personal problems. Students are like a soft clay who are waiting to be shaped into perfection. Teachers mold and shape the mind of students to become great leaders which followed by hundreds and thousands of people do agree that their teachers are the people behind their success and reason behind who they are. Many successful leaders agree that the lessons, knowledge and qualities their teacher and mentors taught help them to become who they are now. Teachers inspire us to pursue dreams with great dedication and passion. Teachers create the foundation of society. They indeed shape the life of every student in one way or another. The student and teachers grow on to become successful leaders politician, scientist, skillful employees, businessman, and what not. These people directly or indirectly help to develop our country. It wouldn't be an exaggeration saying that teachers are the foundation stones of the skyscraper of our society. Students are the future of our society, and teachers mold the students in form of responsibility, future citizens of our society. I would like to conclude by saying a quote: the best teachers are those who show you where to look but don't tell you what to see. Thank you, teachers, for helping me bloom. Thank you and have a nice day.